Dear all, hackers are using Microsoft 365 for phishing campaign. Attackers are leveraging legitimate Microsoft domains and tenant misconfigurations in business email compromise (BC) attacks likely aimed at stealing credentials and performing account takeover. Authorization to operate (ATO). Hackers send fake billing emails and phishing emails with fake information of attractive trial subscription offers to users of Microsoft 365 organization. They create malicious applications using Microsoft Organization's infrastructure. Malicious applications were designed to redirect users to websites that host phishing pages or malware to steal login credentials. These attacks are hard to detect because they looks real. Attack chain. Taker control. Gain access to Microsoft 365 organization with registering new tenants or compromising existing ones. Fake setup of admin accounts. Hackers creates fake admin accounts and set up email forwarding rules. Prepare some fake email accounts. Create some fake emails after the manipulate tenants' information. Send fake emails. Hackers create and send fake billing email looks like real billing email using Microsoft's own system. So they bypass security parameters. Give fake support. The email mentioned fraudulent support number. Conduct the social engineering attack designed to lure the victim to install a malware to steal financial information or credentials. Mitigation strategies. Keep antivirus, endpoint security solution up to date. Update SIEM, EDR and other endpoint security software with IOCs. Use multi-factor authentication.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the bell icon for future videos.